BHRT is bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, and this is a therapy that we prescribe so that we can optimize hormone balances in the body. What makes it bioidentical is that it's chemically identical to the hormones that we naturally make in our body, so our body knows exactly what to do with them. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is important because as we age, even just minute changes in our hormone balance can really make us not feel very good. So if we can replace those hormones and restore the balance, then you feel a lot better. BHRT can really improve your life, even with low doses of hormone replacement. So we're talking about like vasoactive symptoms, which is like night sweats and hot flashes and cognitive, just sort of feeling foggy. You can get a little bit of a dose of estrogen or testosterone. You can build up muscle, you can sleep better, and you can feel more mentally clear. The recent research on BHRT is actually really exciting. It's showing that careful dosing of hormones in a medical setting can have really big impacts on quality of life. We're also seeing that there's a decreased risk of stroke and a heart attack, osteoporosis, muscle loss, and cognitive fogginess.